Want to compete in Fortnite tournaments and show off your skills? Here's how to join a tournament in Fortnite in under a minute. From the main lobby, click the Compete tab. This shows all upcoming and live tournaments. Scroll through and select a tournament you're eligible for. Tap on it to view the time, format, and rules. This is an important thing to remember. You must have two-factor authentication enabled on your Epic account to compete. Check the tournament start time. Once it's live, a play button will appear where you can queue up directly. If it's a team tournament, make sure your squad meets the required rank or eligibility before queuing. Once you're in, play your matches. Tournaments usually have limited games and are scored based on placement and eliminations. You can also check tournament schedules and leaderboards at epicgames.com/Fortnite/competitive. And that's it. Now you know how to jump into Fortnite tournaments and test your skills on the big stage. Like and follow for more quick Fortnite tips.